tonight we're exploring the energy street of Moema, Pássaros, one of the most São Paulo relaxing neighborhood. And right now I am in front of Eucalyptus metro station. So let's explore this beautiful neighborhood tonight. So here is the metro, Eucalyptus, line 5. So this side is more quiet than that side of metro station. That side of mall, that side of mall is very busy because of a lot of movement of cars. But this inside are so calm because it's very cold. Tonight is cold. So this side of Moema is it's close to the city center. So most of people that live in this area, they walk in the city. They walk around the city center of São Paulo. It's a residential area. It's quiet. It's a little bit quiet, but the movement, people are moving. Movement is going on. This place looks so beautiful. So this place are bar, but it's quiet. People are not much outside. Opa. So everywhere, a lot of these places you see that is empty because of the people are coming out. It's still earlier. This is 6 minutes after 6. So it's still earlier. It's because of the winter. When you come to the winter like this, the day is dark earlier. The night comes so quick. So many bars. This street full of bars. A lot of nightlife here in this area, especially in this street. Because from the beginning, from where I start to walk to here, I always bar left and the right. Every corner. Every corner is bar. There is bar, there is. So it's like people are coming out. All these places. Opa, yeah. Everywhere is so organized, so calm. You can hear the sound, the movement. People are relaxing, enjoying the atmosphere of this area. Let's continue to explore. água. I like this neighborhood. The architecture is very cool. The old buildings, the downstairs, the skyscrapers, they are all together. Moema is a very beautiful neighborhood here in São Paulo. Both the front, that side of the church, and this side of a shopping mall. Oh, so it's getting more interesting. Every corner in this area there's activities going on. There's bar, there's business. The neighborhood himself is so calm. All these living homes. So this is one of the stylish area here in São Paulo. The area is so calm. You can hear the sound, the movement, the atmosphere, the evening vibe. Everything is calm and cool. The area is so beautiful. These are bar, shops, restaurants, clothing shop, offices, and residential area. All these are skyscrapers, are homes. That's it. You have to look before you move. Otherwise, you got caught. So this side looks so amazing. Everything is set. I'm just waiting for the time to come so that people will start enjoying the evening vibe in this area. Everywhere is set. So this is Moema, Pássaros, here in São Paulo. It's a neighborhood here in the southern São Paulo. So here's a clothing shop like suits, office dress. One thing that makes this night so sweet and so nice is like the cold is too much. The real winter is here in São Paulo now. It's freezing. Earlier is 15 degrees. Now it's going down to 13 degrees. So the cold is coming down. More day dark, more the cold come. A saloon shop. See, every corner in this area there is always has activities. Opa. Yeah. Yeah. So every area have its own activities, its own movement, its own vibe. So Moema is a beautiful neighborhood here in São Paulo, and it's very good and very awesome to explore it tonight with you guys. Subscribe to my channel, give a like and comment. See you in the next walk.